the colored surprise eggs.
Choo-choo!
Stop the train, Cuquin.
Oh!
1, green. 2, blue. 3, orange. Shall we open the surprise eggs? It's a green egg. Open it, Cuquin.
Wow!
Harder, Cuquin. Shall we open it on 3?
Yay!
1, 2, 3! It's a red egg. All right, Cuquin. Let's open the egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a cow.
And on his farm there was a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. All make
Bravo! What does a cow say? Let's go for another surprise egg.
Wow!
It's a blue egg. Open it, Cuquin. 1, 2, 3! It's a yellow egg. All right, Cuquin. Let's open the egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a sheep.
And on his farm there was the sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Only
Bravo! What does a sheep say? Let's go for another surprise egg.
Wow!
It's an orange egg. Open it, Cuquin. 1, 2, 3! It's a pink egg. All right, Cuquin. Let's open the egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a pig.
And on his farm there was a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink.
Bravo! What does a pig say?
Oink oink!
How fun! Which animals have we played with?
A cow! A sheep! A pig!
Oh?
Download the Cleo and Cuquin app and enjoy the best children's songs. Play, Ghost. Huh? No, no, mine. Meh. No dancing, Ghost. Meh. Sleep, Ghost. Handbag.